Okay guys, welcome to Eric Auto Center. I'm going to show you some basic information about transmission because I have learned that a lot of people are making this mistake and it end up causing them a lot of problem on their transmission, which may end up causing them to buy huge amount of transmission, very expensive transmission, because most of them don't have knowledge about it, how to check transmission on your car. Everyone knows that checking transmission is an easy way, but unlike engine oil, so the first thing you have to do before checking transmission oil is to start the engine and run it first before you perform a check, so that you can get the correct and maximum gauge. Failing to do so, you might not able to get the maximum gauge and it will deceive you. You may think that it is normal, but it's not normal. Your car can have an engine oil leakage, transmission leakage, and it can able to use the number of maximum gauge, which may also cause problem on your transmission. So make sure always transmission is full in your car, and this is the way to check it to get the correct maximum gauge. So I'm going to this car inside and start it first for you. In some modern cars, okay, so I have started the engine and you can see the engine is performing, and this is the transmission gauge. The white one there is the transmission gauge. So now I am checking it. So you see here hot. So anytime I have to check the transmission oil when hot. Now I am inserting it to the stick and see whether the oil is on the track maximum gauge or not. Okay, it's full. It's full and above. That means I am safe to drive. It is very important for you to start the engine, run it for about 20 seconds, then perform the check so that you can able to get the maximum level of transmission. Most advanced cars doesn't have gauge, but we have a way of checking it. That one you have to check your repair manual or the user manual, then it will show you the inspection interval that will enable you to check. Checking it is also another thing that you have to send it or take it to your mechanic or your service provider. He or she is the one only that can perform that check for you, because it will take some certain process before they can able to check whether the inspection interval is due, or you have to change the oil, or the oil inside is maximum or not. This is a way of checking it. Those who using advanced cars, these modern technology cars, to refer to their owner's manual or repair manual. This is how you can able to perform that. But this some of cars that have using the dipstick, it is easy for you to check, but you have to start the engine and run it first before you can able to perform the check. Subscribe to Eric Auto Center. Make sure you like the video, share to many people as well, all your friends, your family and loved ones across your social media platforms. And anything you didn't understand in this video, make sure you put your comment below in the comment section. Until I meet you next time, stay updated. Bye bye.